from the 1st of December for a period of 1 year and is likely to have 200 meetings across the country. Hello everyone and welcome to News Now. I'm Avan Dabash. Let's take it straight then to the top story, and that's across the globe as the all-crucial midterm elections in the United States will take place today. Nearly 250 million American voters will decide whether the U.S. Senate turns red or blue. All eyes are on the key battles in Pennsylvania, Ohio and Arizona, where Donald Trump-backed Republican candidates are gaining steam. Voting for all 435 seats in the lower house, while 35 seats in the Senate, is taking place today. Both Joe Biden as well as his predecessor, Donald Trump, were seen making their final pitches. The midterm elections hold importance as it will signal whether or not Biden will be able to continue his agenda for the remaining 2 years of his term. The party that controls the Congress controls the laws that are passed. However, the Democrats lead by a very narrow margin in both the houses, which makes for a very tight contest and quite a worry for Joe Biden as well. Moving right on then, and Twitter owner Elon Musk has clarified that he recommended voting for Republicans in the midterm to counterbalance Joe Biden's Democrats. Musk said that his political affiliation was independent. This is just hours after he endorsed voting for Republicans on his social media platform. Musk has added that he was open to voting for Democrats again, but in the future has been very critical of Joe Biden's proposal to tax billionaires. This is the first time that the CEO of a social media company has so explicitly endorsed a political party. Remember, Musk had earlier claimed that the social media platform must be politically neutral in order to deserve complete public trust. All right, away from the United States, let's focus in back home. And India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar is on a 2-day visit to Moscow. This is his first trip to Russia after the country invaded Ukraine back in February. Jaishankar is set to hold bilateral talks with the Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov, and the talks are expected to cover a number of issues, including the national currencies, energy deals, security in the Asia-Pacific region, as well as the war in Ukraine. Remember, India has refused to condemn Russia's invasion. It's a move that has raised a lot of eyebrows as well in the West. And on day 2 of the COP27, the UN Climate Summit, the UN chief Antonio Guterres has issued a dire warning, saying that it is time to cooperate or perish. He addressed the assembled world leaders in Egypt, claiming that the world is on the highway to climate hell with our foot still on the accelerator. The UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak has, in a press interaction, said he is committed to the 11.6 billion euros International Climate Fund that was pledged by the government last year, but adds that it's possible that the plan could take longer than the 5 years that had been originally planned.
This UN climate conference is a reminder that the answer is in our hands. And the clock